Welcome friends. I am Professor Ashish Agrawal from School of Engineering and Technology, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Today we are going to tell you about motorcycle service and repair, which is a program, non-credit program under IGNOU Guyana Skill Development Project. We have three program coordinators, Professor K. Tamil Mannan, Professor N. Venkateshwarlu, and Dr. Sanjay Agrawal. Professor K. Tamil Mannan, Professor N. Venkateshwarlu, and myself are from Mechanical Engineering, while Dr. Sanjay Agrawal is from Electrical Engineering. In this intro lecture, we will tell you about the course content and the brief of the program which we are going to deliver under IGNOU Guyana Skill Development Project. Now I will tell you about the program. Name of the program is Motorcycle Service and Repair. Program code we have, it is CMSR. This is the code which we have given for IGNOU program. Eligibility for this program is, it is open for functionally literate working motorcycle technicians. Now, duration of the program. Since it is a skill development program and non-credit program, the duration is only 2 months. Now, the question will come to your mind, who will be our target learner? Target learner will be only those learners which are sponsored from Guyana. It will not be open for all. Medium of instruction is English, and the mode of delivery will be the online. Now, what are the objectives of the program? We want to create more demand for skilled manpower at Guyana. We also have an objective to correct and align in skilling and required competency. We want to connect the supply of skilled human resources with the sector demand. Sector demands means it may be automobile or it may be tourism. Now we have a 3 module in your course content. If I talk about the first module, it is a starter kit. We have a getting started. We will tell you what is motorcycle, history of the motorcycle. Then we will come to the internal combustion engine, because it is the internal combustion engine who gives power to motorcycle to drive from one place to another part. Then the basic of motorcycle, how the motorcycle work, what are the functions of motorcycle. Then we will also discuss various tools and equipments which are used for repairing and service of motorcycle. Now we will come to the module 2. Under this module 2, motorcycle service and maintenance will be covered. We will cover how you will do the motorcycle servicing. They are in 2 parts, service and maintenance procedure 1 and service and maintenance procedure 2. Now we will come to the module 3. It is motorcycle repair, because in earlier module 2, we were talking about the maintenance, that how you will maintain so that your motorcycle should be trouble free. Now if the trouble is there, then how you will repair it? It is motorcycle repair and troubleshooting. We have 3 contents in that: motorcycle transmission and electrical system, that will be covered by Dr. Sanjay Agrawal. Basic repair troubleshooting of motorcycle, this will be covered by Professor K.T. Mannan. General safety and service tips, that will be covered by Professor Venkateshwarlu. Now, the introduction to motorcycle and the different parts of the motorcycle and the history of motorcycle will be covered, will be delivered by my colleague, Professor K.T. Mannanji. Now over to K.T. Mannanji.
Dear learners, now we are going to discuss about the basics and various history of motorcycles. The motorcycle is basically invented by Sylvester Howard Roper in United States of America in the year of 1867. What is motorcycle? Basically, motorcycle is a transport vehicle which is used for transporting goods as well as passengers or fulfilling the specific function on land or earth. Basically, the two-wheeler segments can be categorized into three segments such as motorcycle, mopeds and scooters. Now we are going to discuss on only the motorcycle. The classification of motorcycle based on the cylinder capacity, which should be the minimum 50 cc to maximum 550 cc. Why should we prefer a motorcycle? Basically, the motorcycle is designed for comfort travel in long distance. Also, it's a kind of fast mode of travel. During the traffic congestions, it provides the navigating the congested urban traffic. It provides a smooth running in off-road conditions, as well as it's easy to handle and ride. It's a cost-effective transport comparatively any other transports. Also, it's a less fuel consumption. It gives less maintenance cost. Its ease of parking. Parking should be very easy. Occupy the less space in parking. It's pollution-free vehicle. It's environmentally friendly. It's easy to affordable. It's a cost-wise. Outcome of the skill development program. Once if you completed this 2 months course in motor vehicle service and repair, what will be the outcome? The one can able to identify the category and various brands of the motorcycle, and also can aware of different parts and their functions of the motorcycle. Also able to handle the various tools, equipments, tubes and tires of motorcycle effectively. Also one can dismantle and reassemble all the parts in the motorcycle independently, and also able to repair and overhauling of motorcycle independently. Also able to identify the fault easily and repair it. Able to become good trainer in motor vehicle repair and maintenance. One can provide the training for others, those who are unskilled and semi-skilled persons. Also, one can understand the importance of motorcycle repair and service. It's developing the self-confidence. Once the successfully complete the 2 months the work motorcycle repair and maintenance course, it's developing the self-confidence for embarking on self-employment or entrepreneurship. It's starting of new entrepreneurships or self-employment to enhance the living status in the society. Ultimately, the living status has been enhanced. So the learners, you might have, is very useful. You understand the all basics and an introduction about the programs of motorcycle repair and service. We know that how the skill is more important in the survival of the life. This figure shows that swimming, the person can swim, he can survive in the life. Similarly, the persons does not know the swimming, they need to depend on others. Anyway, thanks for the listening.